Time to give your coffee machine a thorough clean. Don't forget to prepare the following cleaning supplies. Remove the used portafilter. Brush the inside and outside of the portafilter and filter basket. Rinse the portafilter under running water. Soak the portafilter and filter basket in hot water for 10 minutes. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into the water. Stir until it dissolves. Pour the cleaning solution into the water tank up to the max line. Press on/off button to start. When all lights are on, the machine is ready. Place a container under the group head without attaching the portafilter. Press the single cup button to dispense some descaling solution. Press the steam button and wait for it to turn solid white. Turn the knob to the steam icon and release steam for 20 seconds. Pause steam by returning knob to horizontal position press and hold the on/off button to turn off the machine, then let the descaling solution sit inside for 5 hours. After 5 hours, press on/off button to start. When all lights are on, the machine is ready. Hold single cup, double cup, and steam buttons for 3 seconds to start descaling. Wait for solution to be expelled. Refill the water tank with purified water. Rinse with purified water 2 to 3 times until no descaling taste remains. Remove the drip tray. Empty and clean it. And then reinstall it back into the machine. Wipe down the machine with a cloth. All done. Your coffee machine is now clean and ready to brew again.